few pointers why you might be getting such low views. If you're a new content creator, this might be helpful for you. So let's go into it. I don't know if you have been using your channel analytics. That's a YouTube Studio channel analytics. So if you look at that, it helps you. It gives you a lot of metrics and information on your channel to help you grow your channel and help you see specific things that can help you to grow your channel, and also what you need to upload and stuff like that. It's analytics basically. So if I could quickly just tell you this pointer, and then you might use this and feel like, oh, okay, that's why I'm not getting any views. And then when you do upload a video, you can remember to say that your subscribers should turn the notification bell on, because that's that's something that I haven't been doing, and that's why my views are so low. Basically, there's low views everywhere, but mine are, yeah, extensively low, and this could be the reason. Okay, so I don't have any visuals on it today, but hopefully I'll make a video on it to make it more easily understandable for you. But I'll just explain what I'm saying to you right now. So basically, I found out, obviously I've got low views, so I thought, what is this? So I went into my YouTube analytics. So if you go into your YouTube Studio channel analytics on your dashboard, and then if you clicked on audience tab, and then if you go further down, you would see this, under the heading that says subscriber bell notifications. So then if you look under your subscriber bell notifications, it will say subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel. And the typical value that YouTube is recommending is that if you've got between 10% and 30% of subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel, then you're more likely to get views, because obviously if the notifications have gone out, then your subscribers get a chance to click on your actual video. But then if no notifications have gone out, or if your subscribers haven't turned the bell on, so they don't know when you've done your next upload, then your views will be low. Obviously, if no one gets the invite, no one can come, can they? So the typical that YouTube recommended was between 10% to 30% of subscribers who turned on all notification bells for your channel. And in my instance, we can see I've got over 90,000 subscribers and I'm not getting any views. And guess what? Look, mine says, look, the typical YouTube want to see is between 10 and 30%. And mine says 0.9%. 0.9% of my 90,000 subscribers have turned on their notification bells for my channel, which is way below average. That's why I'm not getting any views, and that's probably why you're not getting many views as well. So it's like, unfortunately, the bigger your audience gets, the less notification bells get turned on, sadly. Because I remember when I was about maybe about 1,000 subscribers, not every single one, most of my subscribers turned on the notification bell. But I've realized as the bigger my channel has grown, the less people are turning on the bells. I don't know if it's because they're subscribing on shorts. And then when people subscribe on shorts, I think it's just, you just tap on the subscribe button. I don't think the option comes up for turn on all notifications. I don't know if you've noticed that as well. That could be the problem. So another thing underneath that, it also says subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications. So the typical value on YouTube that they recommend they want to see is between 5 to 20%. And mine, again, is very poor, 0.4%. So you can imagine 0.4% notifications are going out to the subscribers that I've got. Even though I've got a large amount of subscribers, not enough notifications are going out because not enough people turn the bell on. So I think a way to combat this is, if you are uploading, if you're a new content creator and you're uploading your video, make sure when you tell them to subscribe to your channel, don't forget to say turn on the notification bell. That is very, very important, because I think that even myself, I need to start doing that. Definitely. I definitely will start doing that after this video, because 0.4% of 90,000 subscribers is ridiculous. Because that's why if you go on my channel, you can only, there's hardly getting 1,000 views per video, and you thinking to yourself, 90,000 subscribers and not any views. What's going on here? So yeah, I think that could be the problem. So that could help you out on your channel as well. So tell them to turn on the notification bell when they do subscribe to your channel. Yeah, I hope this has been helpful. I will try to do a proper video about it so I can show you the visuals of the analytics. That might be more helpful, especially to new content creators. And if you've got any questions you like to ask, you can drop it in the comment section after this and make another video when I do have a bit more time. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this has been helpful. So the main takeaway message of this is just to tell your subscribers to turn on the notification bell when they do subscribe to your channel. I'm not sure how easy that is on when they subscribe on shorts videos, because I don't think the option to turn on all notification comes up on shorts videos. And if you need any help with demonetization or monetization on YouTube or Google AdSense, we have got all of these in the playlist section. So please do check out the playlist section. And the demonetization playlist has been especially helpful for people who's had their channel demonetized for any reason. And I've got an excellent video on there, showed you exactly the whole process, what to do for the appeal video as well. And that's been very successful. And also, if you check the comment section of the video, yeah, people have left their testimonies saying how they got their monetization back. So yeah, if you find that you're in that stuck position, check out the playlist section. You'll find that all in there. And I'll probably post it on the community tab to make it easier for you to find. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.